Your parent? Do you have kids? And whenever you're trying to talk to your partner or your friend, your kids suddenly show up and they need your help. And they keep screaming like, Mommy, 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 listen to this. Mommy, look at this. Mommy, I need this. Mommy, help me. Sounds familiar? That happens to me every single day. And I tried so many different ways which are available on social media. And trust me, none of them worked. Except one. I'm going to share it with you. And I really hope that makes your life a little bit easier. Look at this. This is a sand timer for 1 minute in the form of a keychain. I keep this keychain everywhere wherever I go, and when my kids ask for my help, I give them this timer and I ask them to wait until the sand goes on the other side, and that's how I teach patience to my kids. Now they have something visual to look at and they do not keep saying mommy, mommy, mommy. Just with one keychain sand timer, the life changed. Now you will ask me how this sand timer is different from others. Well, the only difference I found is it's a keychain. It's a 1 minute keychain. Another thing, it has some colored sand and it has rhinestones. Because it looks attractive, convenient to keep it everywhere, I really liked it. I hope it helps you too. Try it.